Good morning, children. Open your textbook. History. Last class only we start. Last two class only we start textbook. No, children. Beetle textbook. Semester 1, class 2. Textbook. Open your textbook. Page number 85 also we finished. Open page number 85. Write the number in expanded form. Last class we finished. Write the number in expanded form. Write the numbers in short form. Fill in the blanks with greater, lesser or equal to sign and arrange the numbers in ascending order. This means we over now last class only we finished. Now I am going to start the descending order. Arrange the descending order. Arrange the numbers in descending. Descending order. What is descending order means? Big to small. Big to small. For example, children, few example I will give. After that, you will go to textbook. For example, you want to write in the rough note. See. Descending order. Descending order means big to small. First, we will use single digit number. See, in this number, which one bigger here? 6, 9, 7, 3. Which one bigger here? 9 is the bigger number. So, we will write 9. After that, 6, 7, 3. In this 3 number, which one bigger here? 7. 7 also over, 9 also over. In 2 digits, only 6 and 3 is there. 6 is the big number. So, we will write after that 3. Understood, children? First one, single digit we did. Now, I am going to two digit numbers. Already I explained in ascending order. First you want to write here ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. In ascending order, first you will write small to big. Now in descending order, you want to write in big to small. See, tens number. See, in this number, tens, 4 is in tens place, 3 is in tens place, 2 is in tens place, 1 is in tens place. Which one bigger here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one bigger, children? 4. 48 is the bigger. First we will finish 48. 1, 2, 3. Which one bigger here? 36. Next, in these two number, which one bigger? A1 or 2? 2 is the bigger, so 24. After that, 18. Understood, children? Like that you want to write. One more example. Now, which number we will take first? Ones or tens? Ones or tens, children? Tens number we will take first. See, in this 2 is here, 3 is here, 8, 4, 5. In this number, which one bigger here? This number is big one. So 88. 88 over. Next, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one bigger here? 5. 5 is the bigger number. So we will write here 54. Next one, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Which one bigger here? 4. 4 is the bigger one. So 46. 26 or 39. 2 or 3. Which one bigger here? 39. After that, we will write 26. Understood, children? Like that you want to write the descending order. So easy only. When you are writing now, you want to write first ones, tens. If you write, we can do it easily. Now we will go to textbook. First one, already one examples also given there, 68, 54, 73, 56. Answer also they did. 73 is the first number, second number 68, 56, or 54. First one now, 28, 32, 54, 40. Now which number we will see first? We'll see the first number, tens number we'll see. Now see the first 2 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, 4 is there. Which one bigger here? 5. 5 means 54 is the bigger number. 54. 54 over, this over 1, 2, 3. Here 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there. Next number what will come? 40. Yeah, this also over. In this number, which one bigger, 28 or 32? See the tens number 2, 3. 32 is the big number. So you will write 32, after that 28. (28), 32, 54, 40. Second one, 18, 9, 28, 19. First we will write numbers, after that we will do the answers. 56, 65, 85, 58. Fourth one, 72, 84, 93, 61, 54, 43, 24, 34. Understood, children? Now, first you see there. Here 18, here single digit number, 28, 1, 9. Which one small number here? See, ones, tens, ones, only ones is there. Ones, tens, ones, tens. See, if we, 1 is here, in 1 is in tens place, here no tens place, 2 is in tens place, 1 is tens place. So, single digit is the small number. 9 over. See the 1, 2, 1. Which means, sorry children, you want to write the big number now. See, 1, 9, 28, 1. See, 1, 2, 1. Which one bigger here? 28. See, in this 18, here no tens, here 19. Here also tens plus 1 is here. Here also 1 is here. If both the numbers same is there, you want to go to ones number. 8 or 9. Which one bigger here? 9 is the bigger. So you want to write 19. After that 18. Single digit. 9. 56, 65, 85, 58. 56, 65, 85, 58. See the number tens number 5, 6, 8, 5. Which one bigger here? 8 is the bigger. So 85. 85 over now children. Now see these three numbers 56, 65, 58. Here 5, 6, 5. Which one big? 65. See here, in this number, tens number is 5. Here also tens number is 5. So what do you want to do? You want to go to ones number. Here 6, here 8. Which one bigger here? 8 is the bigger number. So 58. After that 56. 72, 84, 93, 61. See the tens number. See the tens number, children. Which one bigger here? 7, 8, 9, 6. 9 is the bigger number. So 93. We finish 93. See these three numbers, 77, 8, 6. Which one bigger here? 8 is the bigger. So 8, 4, 84. In these two numbers, you want to see which one bigger, 7 or 6. 7. 7 is the big number. So you want to write 72. After that 61. 54, 43, 24, 34. 5, 4, 2, 3. Which one bigger here? 5, 4, 2, 3. 54 is the big number. 54. After that 4, 2, 3. 4 means 4 is the big number. So 43. Here 24, 34. 2 or 3. Which one bigger here? 3 is the big number. So 34. After that you will write 24. Understood, children? First you want to write ones, tens, then only you can do it easily. Descending order also, ascending order also. If both the numbers same, in tens place, if both the numbers are same, you go to ones number. Understood? If you have ones number, here 8, here 9 means which number here big? 9. So you can write easily. Now, shall I rub, children? Finish it soon. We will go to page number 88. Page number 88. Page number 88. Shall I rub, children? Page number 88. Addition. Addition. Understood, children? Today we are going to learn about addition. See, whenever we will do the addition, we will use plus sign. Without plus sign, we can't do the children addition. So, whenever we will do the sum, no, we will use plus sign. Addition means plus sign. See the sign here, plus sign. Addition means putting together, children. See, in my left hand, 3 chalk pieces there. In my right hand, 2 chalk pieces there. See, I have 3 chalk in my left hand. I have 2 chalk in left hand. So, if we will put together, what will happen here? If we will put together 2 plus 3, how much is that? 2 plus 3, 5. Now we will count all these chalk pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood, children? Once again I am saying this. In my left hand, 3 chalk pieces there. In my right hand, 2 chalk pieces there. If you put, see, we will put together, we'll put together 2 plus 3, how much? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood, children? There are 2 types of addition. There are, see this one you want to write in the rough note. There are 2 types of addition. For addition, which sign we will use, children? This plus sign we will use. See. Addition. One is horizontal. One is vertical. See, understood children? One is horizontal, one is vertical. We will solve the sums two types, two methods is there. See, first method in UKG first standard, how we will do the addition? 5, 3. See, here we will draw 5 is there means you want to draw 5 lines. Here 3 means you will count these lines. After you will write the answer, no children. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this you will do the addition in UKG and first standard. Understood? In horizontal method, I will do 1, 2 plus 3. See, this is the vertical method, children. Vertical. This is horizontal. Vertical addition. This is horizontal addition. See, here 2 means, here 3 means in UKG, in first standard what you will do? Here 2 means you will draw small lines here, here 3 lines here. Now if you these lines you will count and you will write the answer, no children, like this. In UKG, first standard you will do like this only. Now in second standard, we will use mind. See, 2 plus 5. In second standard, see in this number, which one is bigger number here? 5. 5 you will keep in the mind. In 2, in my finger. See, after 5, 6, 7. Understood children? Like this you will do. This is one method. Another method, two plus 5. Here 2 means you will put small dot. Here 2 dot. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you will count this. After you will write 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can follow any method, children. You can use these two methods. 2 plus 5, sound. 7. 5 you keep it in the mind, 2 in my finger. So after 5, 6, 7. Like this also you can do. Like this also you can do now. Now we will go to vertical. Few example sums. I'll give few examples. After that we'll go to textbook. See, vertical method means vertical addition. 6 plus 7, 8 plus 0, 9 plus 1. See, I use single digit. See, in this 6 and 7, which one bigger here? 7 is the big number. So, 7 you keep it in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 you will write. See, 8 plus 0. 8 in the mind, 0 on the finger. 8 in the mind, 0 on the finger. After 8, what will come? 8 only will come. Zero property of addition. When will come no 0, that time see children, for 0, let us take the number 4 and 0. If 4 plus 0, if we had, same number will come, 4. We get the sum only. This sum only we will get. 4 plus 0 is equal to sum. 4. 4 is the sum. Understood, children? 1, and if we add 0 plus 4 also, 0 plus 4 also, we'll get the same answer. 4 only sum. If we add 0 plus 4 also 4, 4 plus 0 also 4. Added the 0, the number itself, the 0 is added in with any number, 0 is added with any number, children, any number. You will get what you will get? Same number only you will get. Any number you will get same. See, for example, 5 plus 0. See, if 0 is added with any number, you will get 0. 5 plus 0, 5 only will get. See, this is the sum. If 0 plus 5 also, you will get 5 only. Understood, children? If 5 also is there, 6 also is there, if 7 also is there, 0 plus 7, 0 plus 6, you will get same number only. 5 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 5 also 5. 0 plus 6 also 6. Like that only you can add with 0. Now 9 in the mind, 1 on the finger. After 9, 10. See, single digit we did know. Now 2 digit we will do. $26 or 8. Four or 1. 31. 4, 6, 3. 6. With 2-digit number, with 1-digit number, we add first. First, arrange the number by writing one number. Will add the ones. See, first ones, tens. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. What you will do, children? First, you will add these two numbers. Ones number first we will add. After that, we will go to 2. 6 in the mind, 1 on the finger. After 6, what will come? 7. 7 is here. See, in tens column, 2 is there here, no number. So, what you will do? Directly you want to write 2. 27. See here, 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2, what will come? Same number will come. 0 plus 2, 2. Here no number, 3 is there. So, you directly write here 3. 6 plus 3, 6 in the mind. 6 in the mind, 3 on the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. 4. Understood, children? This is vertical addition. Horizontal addition means horizontal. 6 plus 1 is equal to dash. 8 plus 2 is equal to dash. 9 plus 0. This is horizontal addition. This is vertical addition. See, 6 plus 1. Here also you want to see the big number. Which number is big? 6. 6 is the 6. You keep it in the mind. 1 on the finger. After 6 plus 1, 7. 8 in the mind. 2 on the finger. 8 in the mind. 2 on the finger. After 8, 9, 10. 9 plus 0. 9 in the mind, 0 on the finger. No numbers here. So, what we will write? Same number you will write. 9. 1 plus 1. 1 in the mind, 1 in the on my finger. After 1, 2. Same only we will do two-digit numbers. 63 plus 21. 60 plus 11. See, you write ones tens, then only you can do easily ones tens, ones tens. See, first which number you will first you will add? 3 plus 1. In 3 plus 1, which is the bigger number? 3. 3 you keep it in the mind. 1 on my finger. After 3, 4. After that you will go to tens numbers. 6, 2. 6 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 6, 7, 8. So 63 plus 21 is equal to 84. Here 60 plus 11. First which number you will add? 1's number you will add. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1, same, 1 will come. Here after that you will go to tens number. 6 plus 1, which one bigger here? 6. 6 you keep it in the mind, 1 on the finger. 6 plus 6 after 6, 7. 71. Understood children? Single digit number also we did. Two digit numbers also we did know. So now we will go to textbook. For addition we will use plus sign. First we use single digit number. In 2 digit number, first we will add ones number and then we will go to tens number. Horizontal also like that only. We will see single digit we did. In 2 digit, first we had ones number. After that we will go to tens number. Understood children? Now we will go to textbook. Now close your rough note and open your textbook, page number 88. Sharp your pencil children. When you are writing, no, sharp the pencil and write. Listen properly. Then only you can do it easily. See already example they given one. This is also example. You need not to write there. See the example sum. In the textbook, example had 12 and 7. See, in this, we are 2 digit number, 1 digit number. First you write tens, ones. See, your 2 digit is there. First you write this 2 digit number, 1, 2. Here single digit number, don't want to write in the tens column, you want to write in the ones column. 7. First arrange the number by writing one number below the other number. First you want to arrange the number by writing the one number and below the number. Add the ones. First you want to add this one. See in this number, which one bigger here? 7 is the big number. So 7 you keep it in the mind. 2 on the finger. After 7, 8, 9. See here in tens column, 1 is there. In down, no number is there. Tens column, as it is. You want to write as it is down 1. So, what we will get? 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. Is equal to 19 is the sum. Understood children? 19 is the sum. Now, exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. Add the following. Add the following. Tens, ones. 2, 4, 5. Here plus sign. Whenever you will do the addition, no, you want to use plus sign here. First you will put the plus sign. Don't forget to put the plus sign. Second one, tens, ones. 7, 2, 7. Tens, ones. 53 plus 2. Tens, ones. 91 plus 7. Tens, ones. plus 9. Forty-seven plus 2. Tens, ones. 82 plus 6. Tens, ones. 67 plus 1. Tens, ones. 32, 7. See the sums properly, children. First, which number you want to add? These two number, ones column. First you want to add ones column. Then you will go, after that you will go to tens column. Now in these two number, which one bigger here? 4 or 5? 5 is the bigger number. So 5 you keep it in the mind, 4 on the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2. Here no number. So as it is you want to write 2. Here 2 or 7, which one becomes number? 7. 7 you in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 7, 8, 9. 7 as it is you want to write. 3 plus 2. 3 in my, 3 you keep it in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 3, 4, 5. 5 as it is you want to write here. 1 plus 7. 7 in the mind, 1 on my finger. After 7, 8. 9 as it is, you want to write. See, here 0 plus 9. 9 you keep it in the mind. 9 in the mind. 0 on the finger. After 9, what will come? Same 9 only come. 8 as it is, you want to write. 7 plus 2. 7 you keep it in the mind. 2 on my finger. After 7, 8, 9. 4. 6 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 6, 7, 8. 8. 7 in the mind, 1 on the finger. 8. As it is 6. 7 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 7, 8, 9. As it is 3. Today we finished exercise number 2, children. We will go to exercise number, next class we will go to exercise number 3. Understood, children? Now open your homework note. Last class what I gave, write the number names 1 to 20, no children. I think I hope all you are finished. Today I am going to give tables 2 and 3. Tables you want to write 2 times. Open, close your textbook. Close your textbook, children. Open your homework note. Now I am going to give maths homework. Maths homework. Go to fresh page. See, in first class I gave numbers. In second class, I gave number names. Third class, this is third class, no, that one. Now I am going to give tables. First we will give 2 tables, after that 3 tables. Go to fresh page. Sharpen your pencil, write neatly. Handwriting should be neat. For this also, don't leave the line. Continuously want to write. See, first line, write the tables. Write the tables 2 and 3. Want to write the tables 2 ones are 2 and 3 ones are 3. 2 times. Understood, children? See. 2 ones are 2 here, 2 times no. Use scale and put line. Here only you want to write 2 ones are 2. After that 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Here only you want to In one page only you want to finish the homework. 2 ones are 2, 2 times. 3 ones are 3, 2 times. Understood children how to write? See in first line, write the heading, write the tables 2 and 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 times. Use line, use scale for a line. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 2 times. Understood? Write neatly children. Next class, we'll go to page number 89 in textbook, exercise number 3 also. Homework you want to complete. Thank you children.